Hello everyone, Little Smith here. It's a Wednesday today. Let's do more neal.fun games. So, life stats we're starting with. Okay, I'm just get rid of this cookie thing. Your birthday, okay, is it 05? Yeah, it's like double digits. The 31st and 1988. Okay, let's go. When am I gonna die? 31st of May 1988, on a Tuesday. I was born on a Tuesday. A lot has happened in the 13,805 days since you were born. That didn't seem a long time. Since you were born, your heart has well. There you go. Your heart has beaten about what's that? 1,550,582,327 20 something times and pumped over 1 million litres of blood. Really? Like in my 37 years of life? I thought it would have been a lot more than that. Your body has produced a lot. Is that a trillion? I'm not quite sure. A lot of red blood cells. You have taken about 276 million. It is million. Over that amount, millions worth of breaths, because that's actually a lot, to be fair. You have blinked about almost 3 million times. Yeah, I can kind of guess, especially with the REM sleep that people have. You have spent almost 5,000 days of your life asleep. That will be absolute heaven for me. you're you're not the only thing that has changed. The world is a different place too. Yeah, fucking tell me about it. The world is such a worse place than since I was a kid. Does the world seem even more crowded? Yes, 100%. There's too many people on this earth. I need to get a new mouse. It keeps jumping. It's not just in your head. There are, what was that, 2.7 billion more people on Earth than you were born. Yeah, I mean, isn't there like meant to be like 9 billion people on the Earth at the minute, like recorded? There is 19% more CO2 in the atmosphere than when you were born. A dollar doesn't buy what it used to. $1 in 1988 is the equivalent of $2.50 today. To be fair, I don't think that's like too bad. Like say if you get like a dollar burger, like a 99 cents burger from McDonald's, and it's like that today, it's kind of still not as bad as before. I mean, it's probably like mostly tax, but yeah, it doesn't seem a lot. The S&P 500 is up one 1,815% in your lifetime. I don't even know what that is. The S&P. I don't know. Um, Whoa, fucking hell! Your life has been one constant movement. This mouse, I'm gonna throw it out the fucking window. You have travelled 35. Is that billion? Oh yeah, that is billion kilometers around the sun. There you go, do that. Not only that, but our entire solar system is orbiting the Milky Way. So you've travelled a hell of a lot of kilometres around the Milky Way. The moon has orbited you 505 times in your lifetime. That's a slow ass moon. The moon is slowly moving away. It is 144 centimetres further away than when you was born. That's yeah. That I don't know. I don't really remember like the moon and sun travel when I was a kid. That's the thing. Here on Earth, we often feel things getting worse, but in your lifetime, the amount of humans living in extreme poverty decreased by 74%. I'm I want to say no to that because I've seen like a lot of people in poverty nowadays, so I don't think that is 100% true. The world literacy rate went from 82% to 87%. That's not much of a change. There's still a lot of people who can't read nowadays. Life expectancy went up 9 years for all people. Yeah, I do believe that people are living longer nowadays due to science. 23% more people has access to electricity. Yeah, I can understand that. You're one of the lucky ones. 7% of people born in 1988 didn't make it to 2026. Jesus. You still have a long way to go. Who knows what will happen, what else will happen in your lifetime? Well, at the minute, there's a new virus has dropped. Well, it's the same virus as before. It's meningitis. So yeah, we'll see what the government what the government will do with that. The deep sea. Right. So yeah, another scroll one. Alright, so on surface level, okay, so it's basically the deeper you go, the more interesting the animals are. So yeah, all of these fish, all of these sea creatures, killer whale is 100 and something meters under the sea. The Twilight Zone, this is when things get like weird, but not too weird. If you got kelp, the kelp is like basically like ground level on the sea, that sort of thing. At 333 meters, this is as deep as any human has ever scuba dived. Set by Ahmed Gibber in 2014. Yeah, they can't go any further. Sea slugs, so sea angels, are majestic sea slugs that use wings to propel themselves. A mackerel shark. Yeah, you basically get the idea. The lower you go, the more weirder things get. That's the thing. This is like sperm whale dive. Yeah, they dive fucking deep. Midnight Zone. Yeah, it's basically like this is when things get weird. Blobfish. Goblin shark. Yeah, God. Bubblegum coral. Dragonfish. Big red jellyfish. Yeah, you kind of get the idea where I'm going with that. As I'm not reading all the things on there. Right, the last thing is the size of space. Another scroll down level. Oh, let me just click this. So, use the right arrows or swipe left to start. Okay. Okay. Oh, there we go. Astronaut. Oh, okay. The smallest thing in space compared to the biggest thing in space. Hubble Space Telescope, man-made object. Space Shuttle, man-made object. Space Station, man-made object. Saturn V rocket, man-made object. Whoa, Bennu asteroid. Deimos, moon of Mars. Mars is a moon? 243 Ida asteroid. 4 Vista asteroids is a lot. Ceres dwarf planet. Make dwarf planet. I've never heard of the first two. Pluto dwarf planet. Europa moon of Jupiter. Moon of Earth. Io, moon of Jupiter. Jupiter's got 2 moons. I've never heard of some of these before. I've heard of like Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, that sort of thing. It's like Mercury, yeah, rocky planet. Titan, moon of Saturn. I've heard of Titan. Wasn't that one of the newer moons discovered? Mars, yeah, rocky planet. Sirius B, white dwarf star. Venus, rocky planet. Earth, rocky planet. Bloody hell. Kepler 22b, Earth-like exoplanet. To be fair, would that be like livable one? I don't know. It is bigger than Earth, so yeah, get people on it. Neptune, ice planet. Uranus, ice planet, ice giant. Saturn, gas planet, yeah, that won't be livable. Jupiter, gas planet. The Sun, God, it gets bigger. Yellow dwarf star. Sirius A, main sequence star. Pollux, red giant star. I've never heard of that one. Like Sagittarius A, supermassive black hole. I've never heard of that one before as well. Arcturus, red giant star. Aldebaran, red giant stars, those are stars. Rigel, blue supergiant star. Pistol star, blue hypergiant star. Betelgeuse, red supergiant star. UY Sakuri, red supergiant star. Is that it? Oh fuck me, there's more. M7887, black hole, supermassive black hole. You could see me when I bend over. NGC 3842, supermassive black hole again, and there's an even bigger one. TON 618, another supermassive black hole. Cat's Eye Nebula, yeah, I've heard of that one. Planetary nebula. Bernard 68, dark nebula. Ring Nebula, planetary nebula. Butterfly Nebula, planetary nebula. Crab Nebula, nebula. Supernova remnant. Kepler's supernova, remnant. Tycho's supernova, another remnant. Sig 2, dwarf spheroid galaxy. Triangular nebula, emission nebula. Bernard's galaxy. Barred irregular galaxy. Fireworks galaxy. Immediate spiral galaxy. Milky Way, here we go, is another popular one that people's heard about. Barred spiral galaxy. Horrocks object, ring galaxy. Cartwheel galaxy. A lenicular galaxy. Andromeda galaxy. Spiral galaxy, another one that I've heard of. Bloody hell, they're bigger. IC 1101, supergiant epilocular galaxy. Local group, galaxy group, yeah, there's basically all the galaxies together. Virgo supercluster, galaxy supercluster. So all different galaxies and stuff. Lacanicana supercluster, galaxy supercluster. Huge LQG, large quasar group. Oh bloody hell. Observable universe, and that's everything. It's the size of space. Somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known. Carl Sagan. Made with Love by Neal. Explore more posts. Yep. That's it. That was it. That was actually a fun one. To be fair, that was actually a good one. So that has been it for this video. Monday I'll do a bit more with Share This Page, Dark Patterns, and Who Was Alive. Yeah, there's really not that much to go more now, is there? Another like maybe week and a half possibly. So yeah, that's been it for this episode, and I'll see you guys next time.